If you are looking to turn off notifications for your PNC bank account, follow these simple steps to manage your preferences effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the PNC Bank app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, look for the Settings or Preferences section, typically found in the menu or profile area of the app or website. Step 3. Find Notification Preferences. In the Settings menu, locate the option for Notification Preferences or Alerts. This is where you can manage your notification settings. Step 4. Adjust notification settings. Select the types of notifications you want to turn off. You can usually toggle off options for transaction alerts, promotional messages, or account updates. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your preferences, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button to ensure your settings are updated. By following these steps, you can easily manage and turn off notifications for your PNC Bank account. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to PNC Bank customer support for assistance.